It's the battle we've all been waiting for, the showdown of the century. Apple's latest and greatest versus the best of the best Tesla has to offer. 2022 is bringing some of the best tech we've ever seen on the table, and, for the first time ever, electric vehicle and artificial intelligence king Tesla is coming out with a phone too. If you've been keeping up with the leaks, you probably know that this beauty is about to be a banger. Cutting-edge technology mixed with Tesla's commitment to excellence is bringing perhaps the biggest threat to Apple's supremacy in ages. Let's see how the rumored Tesla Model Pi phone stacks up against the upcoming iPhone 14. Let's get started. Display. Starting off with perhaps the most important part of the phone, we've got the display. According to the latest leaks, Apple's new iPhone 14 is set to arrive with a 6.4-inch variable refresh rate LTPO AMOLED display capable of going up to 120 Hz and down to as little as 1 Hz. This tech was seen in the iPhone 13's Pro models, however, with the iPhone 14, we're probably going to see it throughout the lineup. As for the Tesla Model Pi phone, this phone is rumored to have a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with higher brightness than any of its competition. Samsung is the current king of displays, while LG makes some pretty decent displays too. Tesla has worked with both these brands previously, so it wouldn't be a stretch to assume that they're developing the technology needed for this in partnership with them. This display will also have a variable refresh rate. Samsung has previously unveiled screens of as much as 240 Hz, so we're hoping that's what we get to see here too. In terms of display, this round goes to the Tesla Model Pi. Camera. Next up, we've got the camera comparison. So far, the iPhone has been on top of the best mobile cameras list. The reason for this supremacy isn't their sensors, it's the image processing they use. Recently, this image processing was criticized as it doesn't capture colors of diverse minorities the right way. However, the image quality still reigns supreme. According to Mac Rumors, we're expecting improvements to the ultra-wide lens, and there's a possibility the iPhone 14 could get a periscope lens that allows for greater optical zoom, but it's not clear if this is slated for 2022 or 2023. The sensor is also going to get a significant improvement and an increase in the number of megapixels it has. What about the Tesla Model Pi though? The Tesla Model Pi is rumored to have an ultra-wide camera, a macro lens, a telephoto camera, and even a dedicated lens for nighttime photography. This lens is supposedly so good at capturing light that you would be able to capture pictures of the Milky Way without even using a tripod. This is a clear indication that Tesla is going to be using both advanced optical image stabilization and also AI-powered electronic image stabilization. One demerit here is that while the iPhone has always excelled in portrait modes and selfies, the Tesla Model Pi is probably going to fall short of its competitor. Why? Well, the Tesla Model Pi is rumored to have an under-display camera at the front. As you probably know, under-display cameras, while do look super nice and help increase the screen-to-body ratio, perform terribly when it comes to real-world usage. The pixels in front of the camera make it a bit blurry and also make edge detection worse. The Tesla Model Pi might win in the back camera comparison, however, it's clearly not going very far in the front camera race. This round is a tie. There are rumors that Apple might go for an under-display camera setup, however, as of right now, all signs point to a camera cutout, which brings us to our next round. Design. Let's be real here. Apple has had a pretty dead design for pretty much its entire life. The only two big design updates ever since its inception were with the iPhone 6 and the iPhone 10. Now, they're slowly going back to the iPhone 4 with the rectangular frame and edges. The iPhone 14 is likely going to have the exact same design as the iPhone 13, except for the camera bump, which will now feature camera lenses built into the frame, much like the iPhone 4. The front of the phone will have a hole punch cut out for the camera, meaning no more annoying notches. As for the rest of the design, since it's just a reverse drive back to what they used to be, I'm not going to give a big thumbs up to that. If you're a trillion-dollar company, you need to come up with new designs. Now, for the Tesla Model Pi. The Tesla Model Pi will feature a quad-camera setup at the back and a full-screen display at the front. In case you're wondering how the Tesla phone is going to stand out from its competition, wait till you hear about its back. The Tesla Model Pi has got photochromic pigment at its back that changes color when exposed to light at different angles. This reflective design features a design that we saw in Huawei a few years back. Samsung also tried it with their Note series, however, they couldn't properly pull it off due to issues with internal components. Tesla is going to try its hand at the design and see how it goes. There is also an iconic Tesla logo at the back of the phone, so your phone can be instantly recognized. For this round, the Tesla phone is a clear winner. Connectivity. In most phone comparisons, connectivity isn't even around because all phones have basically the exact same connectivity: Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and cellular. With the Tesla Model Pi, however, this changes. The Tesla Model Pi has all the features that the iPhone 14 has, however, it also comes with one more standout feature that the iPhone can't even compete with. The Tesla Model Pi has Starlink satellite connectivity. That means that wherever you are in the world, you will have 24/7 high-speed internet support. The phone is also integrated with Neuralink, which is actually one of its key features. This means that once Neuralink comes to humans, you will be able to control your Tesla Model Pi phone with your brain. Yes, you heard that right. You can control your Tesla Model Pi phone with your brain as long as you have a Neuralink implant. This round goes to the Tesla Model Pi. Now, for the most important part of the comparison, the processor. Apple is bringing the A16 Bionic to the iPhone 14. Now, there are two possibilities, and both have credible sources. The first is the A16 Bionic being based on a 4nm chip manufacturing process. This was first claimed by DigiTimes and was what everyone thought was going to happen. The next possibility, and unfortunately the more likely one, is that we're going to see a 5nm chip for the third year in a row from Apple. This news comes from a report by TSMC themselves and is a bit unfortunate for Apple fans, since it means that we're not going to see a significant jump in performance from Apple. The Tesla phone, however, promises much more. Tesla is an AI giant and has been rumored to be making a custom chip with Samsung. If this pans out, we might just see the best performing mobile chipset in the world under the Tesla logo. In case you're wondering what the price is going to be, the Apple iPhone 14 is expected to be around $1,000, whereas the Tesla Model Pi has a rumored price range of $1,400. Yes, it is expensive, but it also promises so much more. With the Pi phone, Tesla seeks to create a world in which phones are far more connected, durable, and have a larger range than ever before. And while the iPhone is undoubtedly the single most important product to have been launched in the past 2 decades, with features like Tesla's revolutionary Neuralink integration, native access to Starlink, and their unique design approach, if Tesla does it right, they are easily beating Apple. And with DevDiscourse.com reporting last September that 2021 did not pass by Elon Musk. Every day in search engines, people ask the same question: is Tesla releasing a phone? Yes, we will see Elon Musk's smartphone soon. We can rest assured that the smartphone world is about to get a hell of a lot more exciting, and it's going to get there fast. And well, on that note, we must end today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. With that, take care, and I'll see you guys next time.